Hello, my name is Cyrus Elisalva, and I'm currently an incoming fourth-year student from Bicol University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I'm excited to share my self-reflection and overall experience during my internship at Istrastan Solutions Corp. Before joining this internship, my academic background primarily focused on uh, foundational subjects like basic programming and database. While these subjects gave me the essential knowledge, I hadn't really experienced how these skills connect in a real-world setting, especially in cloud-based and serverless environments. If I were to rate my technical skills before starting, I'd probably give myself 5 out of 10. I knew enough to get by in school, but I was not confident in building complete and production-ready systems. At the beginning of the internship, I honestly felt both excited and intimidated. I knew that working with AWS and full stack development tools would be challenging, but I also saw it as the perfect opportunity to grow and learn from the actual professionals in the industry. My expectations were to gain hands-on experience, but what I received was more than that. It was truly transformative. Throughout the internship, I encountered a wide range of challenges. The biggest hurdle for me was understanding and implementing serverless architecture. I was not familiar with AWS services like Lambda, API Gateway, Cognito, and DynamoDB. So adapting these tools took some time and effort. Another major challenge was learning how to think like a real developer, breaking down problems, designing scalable solutions, and debugging issues that don't have straightforward answers like in school. But what truly made a difference was the guidance I received from the Strastan team. The mentors were approachable, patient, and always ready to explain the concept in a way that made sense. I'd also like to acknowledge my teammates in Team Renzo. They encouraged me to explore, take risks, and learn from mistakes, which really helped build my confidence. I appreciate the structured task, that the code reviews, and clear feedbacks. It felt like being a professional team, not just a classroom. After completing the internship, I can confidently say I've grown in many technical areas. If I had to rate myself now in terms of skills, uh, here's what I stand. In AWS Cloud, 8 out of 10. Cognito, 7 out of 10. API Gateway, 8 out of 10. Lambda, 9 out of 10. DynamoDB, uh, 8 out of 10, Next.js, 8 out of 10, Node.js, 7 out of 10, TypeScript, 7 out of 10, Tailwind CSS, 7 out of 10. Among all these skills, the one I enjoyed learning the most was definitely AWS Lambda. It helped me understand how to execute code without managing servers, making backend development feel more powerful and efficient. The most challenging for me was TypeScript, especially working with types, interfaces, and strict typing rules. But after repeatedly using it uh, with the frameworks like Next.js, I became more comfortable and start to appreciate how it helps in catching bugs early. Looking ahead, I see myself frequently using Lambda, DynamoDB, and Next.js in the future projects. These tools have become my go-to stop for modern applications, especially those that needs scalability, performance, and cost effectiveness. These technical skills have done more than just add to my knowledge. They've helped me prepare for the real world. I now understand how cloud systems are architected, how to troubleshoot real-time issues, and how to collaborate using Git and other agile methodologies. Even though the internship was conducted remotely, it still provided 240 hours of hands-on, lab-based training and experience that not every student gets during college. Today, I feel more prepared to take the next step as an AWS cloud developer. I may still have a lot to learn, but already used real tools, built working systems, and solved practical problems. That experience has given me a solid starting point and the confidence to keep growing. More importantly, learning serverless technologies has added clarity to the theoretical lessons we studied in class. It's one thing to read about scalability and cost effectiveness, but it's another to actually build a system that reflects those principles. To the Strastan team, thank you for designing such a well-rounded internship. Your guidance and feedback have truly made a meaningful impact in our growth as a future developer. To my mentor, uh, Sir Renzo, thank you for your patience and for constant pushing us to do better. To my teammates in Team Renzo Strategies, it was a pleasure working with all of you. Thank you for sharing your ideas, your support, and your friendship throughout this journey. This internship has not only shaped my technical skills, it has also shaped my mindset for future. Thank you, and I hope to carry this experience into greater opportunities in the tech industry.